Hey everybody. Today I was actually going to get this mounted because it's a beautiful day outside. So I ordered this little Amazon phone mount and it's going to put it on my Grom. I'm looking at it today. There's really not like much room to do a whole lot on this thing. So let's pull this thing open, see what's inside. We're going to give this a shot. I was going to kind of product review it because it got extremely high reviews on Amazon, but we'll see. Let me see if it'll work for this bike. All right, so inside the box, looks like we have a lot of ways to mount it, so I'm sure we could figure something out here. That one kind of looks like if I were to kind of go around the bar end right here and I just don't want to make my key inaccessible. Oh, yeah, we got some adapters depending on bar sizes. This guy looks like it would be a good idea just to use it to kind of like just make it work easy. I don't know. And then we got some end pieces, or I don't know, we'll figure it all out. I haven't really read the instructions yet. Just kind of opening things up, looking at it. Let's try to throw it on. Okay, so on the bike, I tried to put it in here in the middle, but this guy right here won't slide underneath this. And then I have one major critique. They give us this little wrench, you know, and it's a lot of people aren't gonna have a keyed Torx tool like that. But when you're trying to put it in here, this side, when you're trying to actually get leverage, it's not like going in like at all. And so this side right here, this one fits really well, but then you have no leverage. So maybe you have better luck, but if you have one of these, if you have your own tools, just use your own tools if you want to torque this down. So let's keep going. All right, so after reading the instructions a little bit, I now feel a little bit dumber. This is gonna go, come on, loosen up, loosen up. It's gonna go around this jaunt right here, and then the mount itself will be able to go like this. So we'll actually be able to have it almost centered. So let's strap that in real quick. All right, well, in this bag of goodies right here, I found this guy. So, and I know I said I was gonna center it, but there's two things I wanted to be able to do here. I want to be able to record my rides. So I'm going to kind of have it standing more upright like that. That way when I point my camera down here, my camera's pointing right at my rides. So, but when you're tightening this guy down, like you'll see, this is just going to spin. So this guy right here, it's actually a little wrench that fits inside here. And lets us actually, with what little room we have, because, you know, bikes, but it lets us actually torque it down so that this seems solid as a rock. So let's make sure I'm not missing anything. All right, no instructions guy. Looking at these little guys. So this is like, these are rubber pieces, and I just realized that if you don't want the red, you can change it out with the black. But I like the red right there. There's a couple things on the Grom that's gonna match. So this is how it looks. I think I got to look crooked, so I'm probably gonna readjust a little bit. Like that's gonna drive my OCD absolutely nuts, it being just a little bit cock-ass like this. So I'll straighten this out. We'll throw the phone in here and we'll go for a ride, and we'll get a little bit of footage and see how stable she is. Okay, that was without the action mode on. This is the normal mode. So we're going to switch to the action mode and try it down. So this is action mode on the iPhone 17 Pro. We're going to see how the image stabilization is through this. Let's give it another shot. Tell already I have a little bit low tire pressure. Alright, watching the screen, I'm not really sure how well the action mode turned out, but I did get her straightened back out. I have my helmet on right now. I'm probably going to sound like crap, but yeah, that's it. I mean, it was cheap. I'll put a link in the description. I don't think it costs all that much. I mean, it's no quad lock, but the quad lock, you pay what you get for. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll be making more riding videos. Hopefully a little bit better and up in the mountains, get some nature, and we'll have some fun here in Idaho. So thanks, guys.